Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a Canva mockup. Open Canva, choose a template, and upload your design files to start. Next, I'll demonstrate selecting frames, resizing artwork, and using alignment guides so everything looks crisp and centered. You will see how to add shadows, adjust background colors, and prepare a clean export for clients or social media in just a few steps. Open the Elements panel, find Mockup frames, and drag your design into place for instant preview. I'll explain fine adjustments for shadows, reflections, and depth to help your mockup look professional. We will also tweak background textures and export settings so your final PNG or JPG is sharp, delivers accurate colors, and is ready for client review or upload. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for great sound while you work. It pairs easily and brightens your workflow. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful tutorials for you. Check the description for the link and other deals, pick one up if you want, and now let's get back to the video. After final adjustments, choose export options that match your intended use, like PNG for web or PDF for print. I'll guide you through naming exports, compressing assets if needed, and creating a client-ready folder that includes mockups and editable Canva links. Following these steps ensures deliverables are organized, easy to review, and suitable for both digital previews and physical production without last-minute issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.